Is always I. The double dot H. The double dot Butch. This Trotsky and Hutch. Dude, they didn't say that.
I know that. Hey, you know what? Listen, I need to talk to you. I don't want you to tell anybody.
Who am I gonna tell?
Well, nobody, and that's why I'm going to tell you, but you still have to promise.
I promise.
I've been offered membership in the Crusaders. No.
Are you gonna do this?
No. Yeah, look, I don't know.
Those guys are fucks.
You think?
They put me in prison.
You were part of a society of supervillains that was going to give the world scurvy.
Not scurvy, scabies. It's like a rash. And I was 19 fucking years old. What do you want me to do? Jerk all you cocksuckers off till I'm an old man?
I'm not saying that.
Scurvy's what pirates get.
Look, I'm just saying. I met with these guys, and you know, they just didn't seem so bad.
They don't seem so bad because that's the way the CIA works.
They told me that is bullshit.
That's not bullshit. They're backed. They're backed by the fucking CIA.
All I'm saying is it'd be a lot more money, certainly a lot more prestige, you know? I mean, the government gives the Crusaders all the best gigs, and specials, goddamn, it's like being the last sailor in line behind the whore.
You're gonna be one of those guys that makes a joke about the specials going to special school.
No, I am not, right? And I didn't say I was gonna do this.
Those pants make you look like you don't have any cock. Did I ever tell you that?